Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to log into your Xero account. So let's get started. First open your browser and go to xero.com. Now click on the login button and enter your email ID and password here. Once you are done with entering the email ID and password, click on the login button. Use the same credentials linked to your Xero account. If you forget them, click on Forget Password or use the recovery links below the login button. Now, if prompted, set the multi-factors authentication MFA. So for that, download Google Authentication or Zero Verify on your phone and scan the QR code show on screen using the app and the 6-digit code from your phone into Xero. Click confirm and you are in. And if you don't want to do this, click on the not now button and you will land to your Xero dashboard. So that's it. You are now securely logged into your Xero account and ready to manage your finance. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.